Hello everybody, today in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy M53, and in this very short and simple video tutorial we would like to show how you can take a screenshot and make a screen recording on this device. So the easiest way to take a screenshot is to simultaneously hold the power and volume down buttons. As you can see, each time we do that, the screenshot is being successfully taken. In order to access the screen recording feature, just swipe down for the notification and control center to appear, expand the available shortcuts, and look for the screen recorder. It looks just like this, so now you can tap, set it up a little so we can set the sound source. In my case, I'll just go with media sounds and start recording. It will launch the countdown. Now, as you can see right here, our screen is being recorded. We can draw some stuff, show the selfie camera right here, and move it around as we wish. In order to stop the screen recording, just tap on this black square. And once we go to the gallery, we'll see that all our screenshots as well as the screen recording can be found right here. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.